Hi friends, it's Liz here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you a completed journal that I recently made, and this is using my Porch Prints. I am so in love with her digitals at the moment, and so I've been making a lot of pieces with her items. I will link everything below of what I used to make this one, as well as I will link it in the eye above, so if you wanted to click on those cards, you have access to that info as well. Wait, can I do that? No, only below. I will link another project above, what I did with some of her digitals just previously, and I had so much fun with that as well. So getting back to this one, I'm hoping that my lighting is still good. We're having, sorry about that, we're having a bit of a, kind of like a very gloomy day outside. So, but I wanted to film this and show you guys. So I had pieces of chipboard that I wanted to use, and I thought this came out so perfect for it. The size is about a 5x7, and so I think that's just such a really nice size to fit in your hands. I decided to do the ring bound journal because right now I'm really into ring bound journals, and I'm also loving the idea of adding and taking things away. So let me get into it and show you what I've done. So I just added some ribbons on the rings here that kind of match the colors. So for the cover, I did add some labels to the front. So, you can either write something on top of it or leave it as is. I did kind of decorate the sides a little bit to make it look like, it was kind of holes were punched through, but it isn't. And then on the ends here, I did add these pieces. They are from the kit, and they are like the faux metal corners. So I love that. And you can see the gorgeous color there. So let me take you inside. By the way, don't forget to enter my giveaway. It is still open until December the 16th. I will link that below. You get a chance to win a faux memo printer. So check that out. And I'll link that below. So inside, as you can see how gorgeous the images are, I did use a paper pad that coordinated very nicely with it. So for this little additional writing space, you can see the colors that I added there. I really like this this image that was on the paper, so I made sure to cut it so that it would fit nicely there. You can see you've got a nice pocket here. You can use these pages throughout or on their own. This just says be kind. I've got a little tag with a really nice shape on that, and then a tag from the digital. With this page from the digital, I made a pocket. Look how gorgeous that is, right? And then I just added some additional ephemera pieces. I've done some I've added some lace to some of the pages as well. So here you can always add a picture. You can do some journaling and just kind of attach it to the page if you wanted to. Here I just did a little tuck spot on this little envelope pocket, and this also is from the digital, and you can always, if you wanted to, add it to the front of your little journal. I think it came out so beautiful and shabby chic, you guys. I love it. So this little postcard tag, I made it into a paper clip. And when you open this up, you've got little writing space with, months and everything. This is from Janine's shop at J9 Scraps, and I will link her shop below. So I've got a variety of papers, as always, as I like to use them. Again, all these, you can either keep them where they are, take them away, add something else, etc. This is handmade paper, and I'm loving how thick this is. And it has this really nice layer. Now it did come with a hole, so it happened to kind of fit what I was working on here. So this bag here, I just added some little tuck spots with some tags, and you can see the beautiful design on that tag there. You've got another tag here, and these are just envelopes that I repurposed to kind of make these little pockets here. You've got a little collage in there, the pocket for the bag. You can add a photo here, collage, etc. Here you've got a little journaling card again, and then here another journaling card, and these are from the paper collection that I used. And then I just kind of mirrored this on the other side, as you can see there, it comes right out. On this page, because it's cardstock, a little bit thicker, I decided to do a little bit more layering. Got your lace there, So this flips open, and then you've got a tag here that is a Tim Holtz paper collection. And then I just did a little bit of, you know, kind of layering with stuff here. This flips open. You can journal here and here. This comes from Janine's shop at J9 Scraps as well. This is vintage stationery that I added. And then here just did a little bit of a layering. The bag and the layaway tag are from Janine's shop as well. On this pocket, I just added some additional pieces again. And like I said, I'm just sort of loving the feel of this and the idea of kind of using it, you know, whenever you get a moment to add things and take things away, as I mentioned. I use a ring bound journal for my December daily, and I'm just loving, you know, kind of using that again this year, of course. So here, this is from a Folio, one of the Folio kits, and I just added some additional pieces. You can see how beautiful that looks. And I also did kind of like a inside print of this folio, or file folder, I should say, because I think it just looks nice when you kind of do the double printing. On this page again, I made it into a pocket, and then I just added more pieces as well that you can use throughout. Again, you can add a photo here. I love how the spraying of these pages came out with the doily imprint. This is from Janine's shop. And then this is a wallpaper pocket, and I just added the envelope. This one also from Janine's shop, and I did a little bit of kind of layering there. And then this is just another piece, whoop, that doesn't want to be in the envelope. This is from Tim Holtz, the paper collection. And then you can see it nicely through the window envelope there. Here I just added a little pocket, and again, this is nice thicker paper. I love that. So for here, I did a little pocket. This is an envelope, and then I added another piece from the kit. And then here, just this bag, I think that matches the collection, with a little journaling card with a sentiment on it. That was from a paper collection. And then here you can always add something else in there. Here I added another little pocket. I love that you can make so many pockets with these. And again, just additional pieces from the kit. I did use washi tape to make the pocket, because sometimes I find if you glue it or staple it, it doesn't give you as much room to work with. Then another file folder from one of the kits that I used. And again, I just added a journaling card. The back page, I just made a side little tuck spot, and then another journaling card here, or tag. And then this is die cut that I made on coffee sprayed paper. So I think it turned out really nice. And then the back here, I just added some additional pieces. This pocket is from Janine's shop, again, with the little card. I love the color of this card. Then you've got a tag from the kit, another gorgeous little tag, and a ticket from Janine's shop that matches the colors. So as you can see, I didn't decorate the back of the chipboard because I think it just matches nicely with the front label. So I just think it makes a nice little, you know, kind of journal. And this may be listed in my shop, so check the link below if I decide to list this. And as always, questions, comments, please leave them below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.